Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find calls section on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here. Now here you will find calls section, click on it, and now here you can find all your calls section, easy and quick. And that's it for today. That's how to find calls section on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.